Hey, everybody. How you doing, Susie and Julie? You gals are looking beautiful. Nice to be here for you. We got a short little video here. Thank you for joining this quick live. Number one, got to say that. A group of us had a video. I got to stop beating the table. I'm so excited. There I go again. I'll keep my hands down. A group of us yesterday had a video meeting with Ash. He discussed many positive things about the future and let us know that the bridge, Victory with Ash, is just around the corner. Whoop! I love that part. This bridge is vital to our success. He also spoke in detail about the past. He was very clear that we need to shift our mindset in order to adapt to the new, I should say. Today, we want to speak directly and powerfully about the old. It is impossible. Let me say that 3 words again. It is impossible to move forward while staying stuck on passive. We've said this a few times the last couple of months. Many of you have sacrificed in many ways. We understand this. Your time, your energy, your patience, facing criticism. Boy, I know about that one. And living with uncertainty. The original vision pulled you in, and you are still here because of that vision. But right now, unpassive is no longer usable. It's a dead car, okay? Get over it. In order to continue with the vision, we all need, this is Ash Mufareh's vision, by the way. In order to continue with the vision, we all need to adapt to the new and shed the past. That's Susie's favorite word, by the way, shed. I love that. Holding on is blocking your next chapter. All right, it's time to change that. How? Your mindset. I tell you what. Hey, Julie, can you please talk about the mindset shift, please? I love you both.
Thank you, Chris. Absolutely. Hello, everyone. Here's the thing. Here is the clear, certain truth we all need. We must release what no longer serves us. It is not a failure to choose to walk away from the old. We showed up with deep belief, loyalty, and incredible perseverance. Those are real strengths. What matters now is directing all of that power toward what actually works, which is ahead of us. Staying in something broken, it's not noble or loyal. It is self-sabotage. Every extra day we hang on to the past, and any negativity is another day we are not building real momentum. We need to apply our hard-earned experience and create the result that we and our families truly deserve. This is our moment to move forward with certainty. By fully accept what we've given, the time, the energy, the patience, the criticism endured, and the uncertainty we faced. Honor it, then consciously release it. By take back the full power, our focus, our drive, and our abilities are far too valuable to remain locked in to something that isn't progressing. By choose real growth. Progress demands actions in places that deliver results. You have the power to claim it right now. Releasing on passive, it's not giving up. It is choosing yourself with strength and clarity. Your future self is already celebrating this decision. So, Susie, with all that I've said and Chris said, how do we do this?
Well, great to see you guys. And yes, we had a wonderful meeting and conversation with Ash. There was a group of us, and it really, really resonated. And he was very firm about talking about the past. And, it is part of our journey, but it is time to move on. And my favorite word, shed it, shed the past. So if this is resonating deeply with you, like it is with me and Chris and Julie, then there are some decisive steps we can take. So choose today to stop pouring your time, your energy, or any negativity into your life, okay, including on passive. Also, what is very important is to take inventory of all of the valuable skills and mindset we've witnessed. Okay, we've witnessed a lot of that, not just with Ash, but with other members on this journey. We've witnessed mindset shifts. So take what you've learned and develop through this journey. And what are those? That's character, resilience, patience, understanding why value is our cornerstone in this business, and supporting the vision. These attributes, these things we've learned are fully transferable to move into the new. So really think about all the things we've learned along this journey, not just from Ash, but from each other, and bring it forward. Also, you can immediately redirect your focus towards something that will soon deliver results, and it's right around the corner. So I'm asking you guys today, if you are making this firm decision, I'd like you all to drop a comment that says, I'm ready to move forward. I'm ready to move forward. And I got to tell you, you are not alone. Many strong people are stepping into the same empowering choice with certainty. The time is now to move on. And like I said, shed the old, embrace the new, adapt to what's just around the corner. You're going to thank yourself. So with that, thanks for being here. Thanks so much, Chris and Julie, for inputting what you want to say. So I got to ask you guys, are you ready to move forward? And are you going to put a comment in this video? Go ahead, Julie.
I am ready to move forward. And Chris, your mic is muted. So I just jump right in. I am ready to move forward. What about you, Chris?
You know what? Yes, I am moving forward with you two, with Ash Mufareh, with all of you. And let me tell you something. You see this glow on my face? This new color? That has nothing to do with the sun. That is the glow of what's coming, what you're going to feel. And I hope we all look this colorful, because that's what we do. But this is the natural glow of how you're going to look when you really find out what's coming around the corner. That's all I got, ladies. Anything else?
No,
Are you ready to move forward,
yeah, are
Susie?
you ready? Oh, I'm ready to move forward.
Yeah.
Yes, yeah.
Choo-choo!
And we appreciate everyone being here, and a lot of you watching this have already moved forward. You've shed the old. You understand that is progress for all of us, because it does us no good wasting time talking about the past or lamenting or negativity. It does us no good. It wears you down. You're better off putting your energy into thinking about this vision and how we're moving forward. So we thank everyone for being here. So everyone say goodbye.
This is the test, Susie. I don't want to see anything in the comment that says I love and passive. That will tell me if I don't see it, it'll say we're moving forward. People are paying attention to what we're saying. Bye-bye and passive.
Okay. See everyone.